In this video, we will be seeing a main reason why you shouldn't use Godot. Don't get me bad. Godot is a really good engine, it's free, open source and easy to learn. However, the physics engines of it is probably a bit strange if we compare it with other engines. I came across this interesting video comparing the physics of Godot and Unity in a very simple way. It's in Spanish, but I will tell you the most important points of it. Well, this man had made a video about how physics work in Godot. He explained there that even though he set the bounciness to 1, the ball speed decreases as the times go by. He also explains that when you set the bounciness to 1, in every engine the bounce should be endless, which doesn't happen in Godot. In that video, he received a comment from a hater saying that every engine, even Unity, works like that and that Godot works fine. To sum up, the YouTuber, according to what the hater says, was wrong, not Godot. So the YouTuber decided to make an exclusive video answering to this hater. He firstly created a Unity project where he put a ball and a floor. To the ball he attached a rigid body 2D to handle physics and added a box collider to the floor. He also created a physics materials, set the bounciness to 1 and attached it to the ball. The result is the expected. The ball bounces at the same speed and distance from the floor forever. Now he makes the exact same process but in Godot. So again he added a rigid body, a sprite and a collision shape to make the ball. To make the floor he used a static body, a sprite and a collision shape too. Then in the physics of the rigid body of the ball he set the bounce to 1. When he tries this out, the result is very different from Unity's one. The object starts to bounce normally but then starts to bounce faster and faster. This is due to a property of the physics in Godot, the damp mode. If we set this property to replace, this issue should be solved. So then, should you start using Unity and stop using Godot? I believe it depends on a lot of things and I could make a lot of videos about this topic. I personally think both are great engines, but Godot has these strange things that makes it just worse. I used Godot for around a year, the experience was very good but I had to change to Unity because of the lack of tutorials and some bugs of the engine. Although there are a lot of information and tutorials of Godot, they aren't enough. When I changed to Unity I was very happy with the amount of tutorials and I believe there aren't as much bugs as there are in Godot. There is no perfect game engine existing, but there are better engines than others depending on your purposes. What do you think about Godot and Unity? Leave a comment. Subscribe for more content and bye bye.